Salesforce revolutionizes business customer interactions with its comprehensive customer relationship management platform. It enhances marketing, customer service, and sales, offering robust solutions like Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Service Cloud. These tools streamline processes, improve customer relationships, and drive business growth. Sales Cloud automates sales tasks, optimizing processes, and enhancing decision-making with real-time analytics. It offers lead management, allowing teams to prioritize high-potential opportunities. Collaboration is streamlined through integrated communication tools, enabling seamless interaction within sales teams. This fosters a more efficient and cohesive sales environment, driving better results and improved business outcomes. Service Cloud revolutionizes customer support with robust case management and a comprehensive 360-degree customer view. Leveraging AI, it offers predictive analytics and automates repetitive tasks, enhancing efficiency. This empowers businesses to deliver proactive, personalized service, ensuring exceptional customer experiences and fostering deeper client relationships. IoT Cloud integrates seamlessly with Internet of Things devices, offering businesses a unified data view and predictive maintenance capabilities. It enhances operational efficiency by providing real-time insights into consumer behavior and product performance. With robust data security and adaptability, IoT Cloud ensures businesses can evolve with market demands while safeguarding sensitive information. Commerce Cloud revolutionizes consumer interactions by integrating marketing, sales, and support. It leverages AI to deliver personalized experiences, enhancing customer satisfaction and boosting revenue. This seamless integration within the Salesforce ecosystem ensures businesses can create cohesive, tailored customer journeys, fostering brand loyalty and driving growth. Community Cloud revolutionizes stakeholder collaboration by creating tailored online communities. It supports engagement, cooperation, and information sharing among customers, partners, and employees. Businesses can build specific communities for staff communication, partner collaboration, or customer support, enhancing interaction and fostering a shared digital space. Tableau integration with Salesforce revolutionizes data analysis by providing dynamic dashboards and real-time insights. This synergy boosts productivity and allows sales teams to customize their approaches effectively. By transforming vast customer relationship management data into actionable insights, businesses can evaluate performance metrics, identify trends, and seize revenue opportunities, enhancing overall sales strategies. AI integration in Salesforce enhances efficiency by automating tasks like lead scoring and data entry. It provides deeper insights into customer behavior, improving decision-making. This integration allows businesses to anticipate sales trends and personalize customer interactions, ultimately optimizing business processes and driving growth. Lightning Experience offers a streamlined interface with customizable dashboards and real-time data access, enhancing user productivity. Integrated Chatter boosts collaboration, allowing teams to share insights instantly. This user-friendly design empowers businesses to make informed decisions swiftly, optimizing their customer relationship management processes. Salesforce's integration capabilities streamline operations by connecting with external systems via application programming interfaces. It offers pre-built connectors for popular applications, enhancing data flow and productivity. This seamless integration allows businesses to automate processes, synchronize data, and improve collaboration across platforms, ensuring efficient and cohesive business operations. Salesforce enhances efficiency through AI and mobile apps, automating data entry and lead assessment. This boosts collaboration and accessibility for sales teams, ensuring they can work seamlessly from anywhere. By integrating these technologies, businesses can streamline operations, improve decision-making, and foster a more connected and responsive sales environment. Salesforce's scalability is pivotal for business growth, offering robust support through AppExchange's pre-built solutions. This empowers businesses to innovate and adapt in a dynamic market, ensuring they remain competitive and responsive to change. As companies expand, Salesforce's scalable architecture seamlessly accommodates increased data and user interactions, fostering sustainable growth and innovation. Salesforce, while scalable, faces challenges in cost and training. High implementation costs can deter small businesses. Continuous training and change management are essential to keep up with platform updates. These challenges require strategic planning to maximize Salesforce's potential while managing expenses and ensuring user proficiency. Salesforce revolutionizes sales and customer service by offering tools for data-driven decisions and personalized service. It enhances marketing success through targeted strategies, transforming business processes and fostering growth. Embracing Salesforce means leveraging technology for improved efficiency and customer satisfaction, ultimately driving business success.